Oh, that's a bigger, much bigger one. That's got Lee, Ogle, and Boone in it. Yeah, KXI 41. Okay, lot, just finish up the friggin' warning.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rockford to near Byron to near Polo, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rochelle, Parkland Road, Byron, Oregon, Mountain Woods, Polo,
New Hook,
Rockford Airport, Kennewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Kirkland, Hillcrest, Kingston, Stillman Valley, Timberlane, Lost Nation, New Milford, Creston, and Lindenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Stated broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
oh yeah, I forgot about that.
This is No Weather Radio. KXI 41 Crystal Lake. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over German Valley, or 8 miles east of Freeport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Stevenson County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Forreston, or 8 miles south of Freeport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.